Why, hello! Long time no see, eh? And for those of you who don't know who the hell I am, I'm the Bento Buster in Tokyo, Japan. I guess it has been a while since I've been on air, but don't worry, my probation's gonna be okay. I've been kissing up to Mr. Big, who's in with the warden. Just joking. Anyway, today I'm gonna show you how to make some awesome Japanese fried chicken, aka tore no karaage. And to start off, in my wee little bowl here, I have some water, sliced ginger, and a chopped up Japanese leek. And to get maximum flavour out of this, I'm just gonna give it all a good squish. Next, I'm going to add some of this aromatic juice to my chopped up chicken thighs. Yep, that's right, in this bowl here I have about 800 grams of chicken thighs cut up into karaage-sized pieces. Next, give it a quick mix to make sure that liquid is thoroughly absorbed. And there you go, thoroughly absorbed. Alright, now it's time to add some soy sauce. This is actually dark soy sauce, but if you had normal soy sauce, that's okay too. Next, in goes some Japanese cooking sake and a wee bit of sugar. Followed by a smidgen of sesame oil and some salt. Now give it a good mix again and make sure that, yep, that's right, you've got it, that everything is thoroughly absorbed. Or at least coating the chicken. Okay, so far so good. Now the next step is to add one beaten egg. And give it a good mix again and make sure that, thoroughly absorbed. Yep, I've got it. It's a bloody egg, and this is about as absorbed as it's gonna get. Alright, now it's time to add some all-purpose flour and some potato starch. And if you don't have any potato starch, you can use cornstarch instead. And give it a good mix to make sure that everything is thoroughly absorbed. Yep, this is the last time, so it should be absorbed or at least sticking to it, and it should look like this. Okay, this stage is done, so now it's time to get frying. And today I'm going to be using the old double fry method. That's where I fry this chicken twice. For the first fry, you want your oil at 160 degrees Celsius and fry the chicken until the outer coating's hardened. Of course, the flesh inside hasn't been cooked yet, but take it out and let it rest. At this point, raise the oil's temperature to 180 degrees Celsius. Cook them until the flesh and juice inside is thoroughly cooked and the outside is golden brown. And trust me, they won't take long because while they were resting, they were actually cooking from the residual heat. How about that? Anyway, when the karaage is ready, remove them from the oil and place them on a wire rack to cool down. And there you go, some lovely tore no karaage. And when your karaage is cooled down and ready to eat, they should look like this. Now just check them out. The dark soy sauce has given this karaage a lovely caramel colour. And with regular soy sauce, they'll be lighter in colour and just as yummy. This karaage is juicy, crispy, and packed full of flavour. Try them!